Hello friends, once again we are there with the third part in which we will see a trinomial whole square by using two of the terms negative. So let us begin here. Expand 7m minus 3n minus 4k whole square. You will find two terms are negative here. So let us see. We have to follow same method without any fear. So we have 7m minus 3n minus 4k whole square equals to, let us see here, 7m plus inside the bracket minus 3n plus inside the bracket minus 4k and then whole square. So you have seen all are with the positive sign. So let us begin. Equals to first term square plus second term square plus third term square. So you got 7m whole square plus minus 3n whole square plus minus 4k whole square. So you got your square of three terms. Now let us see the middle term, plus 2 into, as you know, first term into second term. So first term is 7m and second term is minus 3n. So we have multiplied there. Plus, let us see the second one, 2 into second term, that is 3n, into the fourth term, that is minus 4k, plus third middle term, 2 into third term, that is minus 4k, into first term, that is 7m. So in all we have got all the 6 terms. Let us check once again. 7m whole square minus 3n whole square minus 4k whole square. Now plus 2 into 7m into minus 3n plus 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k plus 2 into minus 4k into 7m. We need to further simplify. So therefore equals to, what will be 7m whole square? 7m into 7m. So 49m square. Now here plus minus 3n whole square means minus 3n into minus 3n. And when we multiply two negative sign, we get answer as plus. So plus 9n square. Same way, plus 16k square. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus. Now here the first middle term, plus 2 into 7 will become plus 14, and plus 14 into minus 3 will give you minus 42. M into n will become mn. Next one, plus 2 into minus 3 will give you minus 6, and minus 6 into minus 4 will become plus 24 kn. The last one, plus into minus will become minus, so you will multiply them and you will get 56 mk. So the final answer is 7m minus 3n minus 4k whole square equals to 49m square plus 9n square plus 16k square minus 42mn plus 24nk minus 56mk. When we apply the bracket, the sign mistake is avoided. That's why I request you all to apply and follow the steps to avoid the mistake, nothing else. You can do, if you are comfortable, you can do directly. There is no issue. Okay, so I hope you have liked the video. Please share with your friends so that they can also get help, and see you with the next video.